Hello everybody, today I want to talk about what Roth IRAs are and how to start one. Now, a Roth IRA is a retirement account where you can contribute pre-tax dollars, and in return you will get untaxed distributions later on in life. And a notable benefit of Roth IRAs is that you can withdraw the contributions penalty-free at any time. Now, you can't withdraw the earnings penalty free until you've had the account for 5 years or more and you're 59 and a half years old or older, but the contributions you can withdraw at any time. That's different than most other retirement accounts. Usually you would have a penalty for withdrawing any amount before retirement age. Now that we've talked about that, let's go ahead and go and start one, and we will go to Fidelity to do that. All right, see you there. All right, so here we are on Google. All I did was type in Roth IRA Fidelity, and now we'll go and click here on Open a Fidelity Roth IRA. You'll just click on that, and then you can click here to open a Roth IRA, or you can scroll down and it'll give you the different options here. I picked this just Fidelity Roth IRA, where I can pick my own investments. You'll just press Get Started, and then it will take you through a little questionnaire. Are you already a Fidelity customer? Probably not, so press No, and then you'll go down here to Next. And then it's going to ask you to put in all this stuff. It's pretty standard for any brokerage account, or basically any account anywhere. So you'll just fill that out, and I've already filled it out and everything, so it's not going to let me do this. Alright, so once you fill out that little questionnaire, it'll take you to this page here, and then you now have a Roth IRA opened with Fidelity, and then you can fund it however you like and whenever you like, and then choose your own investments, and there you go. It was that easy. So now, if you like that kind of content, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, and I will keep putting out information like this. Alright, see you later.